Okay, hi, hello, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Camille. I am a mom of two, which is why I am kind of talking in a lower volume right now. And if you can hear in the background, I have laundry going, so please just bear with me. This is real life. I am going to get into the quickest video you will ever see on my channel, probably. So I literally am unboxing this with you guys. I have not already opened it, so let's get into it. This is something I'm excited about. I will tell the details as I go. As you guys know, if you have seen this channel, if you've seen some of my recent videos, I've been doing a lot of dupe videos. See all the goodies in here, all the bits and the pieces. Now, if you can guess what this is your chance. Comment down below before you watch the whole thing and tell me what you think this is. This is the Louis Vuitton Palm Spring Minis. I'm tired. Palm Springs Mini Backpack. Okay. Does this look like genuine to you guys? Because it is. Well, it's not, but it is supposed to look genuine. It is from a brand that I will tag down below. They did give me a discount code for you guys, so big plus. I have showed many dupe videos from Amazon and all kind of places that are for a deal, but never any like direct replicas. I know that is a debatable topic, and some of you may feel like that's a rip off of the brand, yada yada yada. This is solely informational. This is not me saying ditch the actual designer and go for replicas. This is informational. So in my years of working with designer and working in retail and being a lover of designer things, I have gotten my hands on quite a few genuine designer bags. I do have a Louis Vuitton bag that I purchased so long ago. I have a Speedy 30 that I purchased back in 2011, still in the original bags. I even have the receipt. I will never sell that bag, probably. Like, I will probably pass it down to one of my nieces or something in the future. But I will tell you this, the box and everything that came with looks pretty good. The only thing, if I'm being critical, which you guys know if you've seen previous videos, I am, this tissue, not really giving. Box definitely giving, and literally feels like pretty close quality to the Louis Vuitton box that I have. Again, my box is super old because it was a long time ago, but of the more recent Louis Vuitton boxes that I've seen, the quality is still similar. It does come with this like card, like obviously it's not a real card, but just trying to look as genuine as humanly possible. Wow, that's crazy. This is even like the receipt type of paper that they use in the Louis Vuitton boutiques. It doesn't say anything on it, but they even tried to replicate that. That's wild. And then this is like a little, I'm guessing, informational packet. Yeah, care information. Nothing major here, but just details. And then if it was to come wrapped in the box, this would be the ribbon tying up the box. So they really thought about all of the pieces here when putting it together. Dust bag, Now, of course, the dust bags look different from size and style of bags, so I don't really know. That might be the same dust bag that would come in this if it was from the boutique. I'm not sure, but it is great quality and great material. I keep all of my handbags in their original dust bags, and I think that has really kept them all well. It's also allowed me to resell. I have resold some over the years, and with keeping them in the dust bags, keeping the tissues so that they stay formed, they resell for a really good value. Now, excuse me if I'm being rough on this. They really stuffed it, so it is keeping the form really well. Just trying to get everything out of it. Now, the original Louis Vuitton Palm Springs bag goes for $24.90. So $2,490 on Louis Vuitton's website today. So emptied, this is what it looks like. Kind of hard to see in here, it's black, but it does have one little pocket on the back side there. It opens really nice and wide, which I think is pretty good for how tiny it is. Like, it was really hard for me to get all that tissue out, but now that it's out, it literally flaps open. So I can imagine putting like some drinks, all the mom necessities, all the girl things, all the stuff in there. This little pocket here, let's see if we can get the stuffing out. Okay, once I get the stuffing out of here, I can definitely think about putting like maybe a little coin pouch or something like that in here. It can't really fit much. I will say this, looking at details though, the zippers are really good, like really good. Not only do they look truly like the Louis Vuitton zippers, but they are light and heavy at the same time, if that makes sense. I know that sounds silly, but the hardware is really, really good. Really good. Like, the leather feels great, but the hardware feels amazing. And hardware sometimes on non-genuine bags can be the teller. Look how smooth this is. I don't know if this is as pleasing to you as it is to me, but so smooth. There's even the little LV on the zipper, which would normally be there. And this material too, it's really good. Like, really good. Everything's aligned on the seams. Let's go ahead and take out the straps. And if you know anything about this bag, you know how it can be worn multiple ways. I will tag some pictures, but you do get the 2 straps, which you can wear it like a low-hanging backpack, or you can wear it like a crossbody. Oh yeah, straps are so good. Very good quality, adjustable in length, obviously. And then you have these little guys, which are wrapped. They're like wrapped in plastic, but again, LV detail on both sides of these clasps. And let's see what the quality of the clasp is like. These are called what? Lobster clasps. It's pretty good. They felt a little bit, I think it was kind of a little bit of stickiness from the plastic. Let's see when I take this one off. If I can get it off. Why is it so hard for me to find? There we go. Okay. Very shiny, very genuine looking. Let's put these bad boys on. So if we were to do just a shoulder or crossbody strap, we strap it like this and then adjust for length if you need to. I think this is super cute. I'm not exactly sure how I would wear it. A couple years ago, I was obsessed with this bag and really wanted it. The prices have just continued to skyrocket with Louis Vuitton, and I just can't get with it. Like, if you want to know how much I bought my my Speedy 30, I want to say it was $720 before tax. And again, I worked for Nordstrom for some time, and at that time I worked for Nordstrom. I did not get a discount, even though certain Nordstrom locations do have Louis Vuitton boutiques in them. You do not get a discount, but I was able to use Nordstrom notes. So I had saved up a bunch of Nordstrom notes. So I think I paid like $600 something cash, and then the rest I had Nordstrom notes to use. But I was so excited, and even at that time, when I was like 18 and I originally wanted the bag, it was $690. So I was already a little annoyed about the price increase. And I remember somebody having like fake bags at the time, and I had thought about getting one because I just wanted it so bad, and then I couldn't do it. Like, in my brain, even at 18, I was like, no, I just want the real thing. And so I was proud of myself to work hard and to earn it. And one of the reasons that I will never give it away or sell it is that. And it's like, it's a wonderful feeling to earn something and to work really hard to get it. But at this stage of my life, I have a hard time reasoning with these prices. Like, $720 before tax versus $2,490 before tax. Like, and let's see actually how much the Speedy 30 is now, because I'm curious while we're on the topic. This is how old I am. The Speedy 30 didn't used to have, none of the Speedies used to have a crossbody option back when I bought mine. Oh, the Speedy 30 is sold out. You have to get notified for restocking. But the Speedy 30 is $1,550. Quick math there, that's crazy. That's more than double the price. And I used to say, if my Speedy goes double price, I'll sell it and I'll make some money. But like, I don't want to make a couple $100s when I've kept that bag over 10 years. I want to just keep it, period. But you do you. If you guys are interested in spending, if you got that $2,400 or $1,500 spent on your bag, girl, do you. If you don't, or if you won't and you don't want to spend it, this is a good way to go. Now, these straps, like, I don't know if the whole bag is, pretty sure these straps are leather. The details, you guys, this is like a little bit crazy to me. The details on here, I don't know if you guys can see. No, it's gonna be too small of writing for you to see. But the detail is so detailed that on these little rivets, and there's a few, it says Louis Vuitton. And I know it says that on these rivets on the real bag. That is nuts to me. Just thinking of all the detail, it's almost scary. But this is so good. Comment and tell me what you guys think. Again, I have a discount code, so I will link that below. But like, honestly, I was pleasantly surprised. This is not an Alibaba type of thing. This is not an AliExpress or whatever places people are talking about. Looking at the quality of this, now they have Chanel bags, they have Dior bags, they have a plethora of designer options. This is the only one I physically got my hands on, and I would say I can trust that they're gonna be good, because this is really good. And I'm just in the place in my life that I am not too proud to try a dupe or a replica. And the goal would be, I can aspire to buy the actual Louis Vuitton bag, and even with the markups and the inflation, be able to get my hands on one. But this is practice, I guess you could say, to see how I would style this, how I actually like the fit. Does it go with things that I wear comfortably? Am I gravitating towards it? This is a really, really cute bag. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. Discount code will be linked. If you haven't seen any of my other dupe videos, check them out. I do try to stay on the links and update them. Some products have sold out from previous videos, so unfortunately, if I don't find something similar, I am not gonna put something there because I don't want to just put anything. I try to be consistent with the quality of things that I show you guys. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching, and shout out to this brand for sending me this beautiful bag. Appreciate you guys, and I will see you in my next video. Wrap your arms around with your mercy.